Tyler, let's go.
Ouais, je veux voir des techniques, hein. Je veux pas la toupie.
That's it, Tyler. Let's go, my boy.
Allez, voilà,
Let's go, my boy.
Continue. Allez.
Four, Tyler, strong. Focus, Tyler, focus. Oh, he's crying. Why is he crying? Oh. Oh.
Allez, Tyler.
Allez, Ty. Allez, Ty. Get up, Ty. Get up. Look at my boy. So, good morning, faves. How are you guys doing? Good afternoon and good night. We are heading to the very first judo tournament for Tyler. We're gonna see Tyler play for the first time today, this morning, and we are excited about it. So Tyler have a judo tournament about 20 something minutes away from home. This is not the entrance, babe. Okay. So we're in this other city. I'm going to watch Tyler compete this morning. So I'm trying to take you guys along. I'm on my day off today, Saturday. So thank God I got day off today, so I could experience this with him, because it wouldn't be easy for babe to handle that with Sarah and with Tyler at the same time. So I'm excited. I'll see what I can capture for you guys, but I'm sure Tyler is gonna have so much fun. So let's do this. Judo.
Mama.
Look at the princess. Say good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys? Princessin. Mama in. Screw. Hi, Judo boy. Hey. Ready? Ready to fight?
Yes.
Your mouth wide. You hungry? Your mouth wide.
Look at this too. We have girl and boy.
Where? Here? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. They're so cute. They're so cute, huh, Sarah? Look how cute they are. Hey, she butted up. Look at her, she keeps going inside.
Because she wants it. The boy is smiling.
He's killing his teeth. The little kids are so cute. Shall I look at the podium over there? You see the podium over there?
Oh my God, il reste 1 an et demi.
Die! Die! Tyler! Tyler! Tyler is right there. There's our boy right there. I can't find him. I have no idea where he is. I don't know where he is. I have no idea where Tyler is right now. Where is he? Ah, here. He's right there. Find him. Sit here. Tai gonna fight. Sit, Tyler. Look. Oh, Sarah, look. Look, he's right there. Look, Sarah. Where's Tyler? Come on, Tyler, let's go. Continue comme ça. Come on, Ty.
Allez, continue.
Oui, Tyler, allez.
Allez, allez.
Come on, Tyler.
Debout.
Oh.
Oh. Focus, Tyler, let's go.
Ouais, je veux voir des techniques, hein. Je veux pas la toupie.
That's it, Tyler. Let's go, my boy.
Allez, voilà.
Let's go, my boy.
Continue. Allez.
Full, Tyler, strong. Focus, Tyler, focus. Oh, he's crying. Why is he crying? Oh. Oh.
Allez, Tyler.
Allez, Ty. Allez, Ty. Get up, Ty. Get up. He's tired.
When it's like this, I always don't know who is gonna win. I hope he's winning.
Aww. Don't cry, it's okay.
Looks like
They're
they know-
teammates.
Yeah, they know
Oh,
each other.
that's my big boy. Hey, my boy. Oui.
Papa il va m'envoyer la photo.
My baby win.
C'est bien mon gars.
Oh.
Allez,
Bravo. So you guys, we got a winner. We got a winner. We got a champion. We got a winner. We got a champion. How you feel, champ?
Good.
Good. Ready to go celebrate your medal?
Yes.
Alright, where you wanna go?
Burger King.
Alright, Burger King it is. But first, Mama needs to go and do some supermarket shopping. And this one is sleeping. And I need to buy shoes for Ty. I never see a boy that can don a shoes in 1 week. Have you guys ever seen anything like this?
When he walk, he's sliding.
Tyler done
Maybe
shoes
just
in
eating
2
the
weeks.
shoes at canteen.
Tyler have 2 shoes and 2 of them have no hole at the bottom of the shoes where his big toe is. I don't understand it, man. So I'm going to the supermarket right now to stop and do a little supermarket shopping. I don't really want much today, but I need to get some few things. And then it's like a Walmart, if you guys get the concept. And then I'm gonna try and get some shoes for him. I'm gonna try and get 2 because 1 ain't cutting it. Anyway, you guys. Oh my gosh, you have to go all the way around and come back round? No? Oh, because you don't reach the roundabout up here yet?
No, there is like a bridge. For this, to go to Carrefour, you have the bridge.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, that was amazing. I'm happy I was off today to witness Tyler's match for the first time. Happy I didn't get to miss it. So I'm a very proud mama right now. Anyway, see you guys later.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live